further on into the stream, but I want everybody to kind of be able to check this out and maybe hopefully have a little bit of fun with it. So rules, and I'll keep this up as others come in, is that first one to answer in chat gets the points. So we need all of you to chat with me today. You get 10 multiple, there's 10 multiple choice, 10 Linux commands. Prize is going to be a 1 month sub to try hack me. So yeah, you got to also message me and over there in Discord, simply because that's kind of how I keep up with things. Okay, so I don't know. Are we ready? Maybe we should do like a test run and see what others may think of that. And see if anyone can get it. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll do one of the questions right now. I just want to kind of get people a taste of it. Okay, so the very first one over here is a process is blank. A collection of threads, a thread, software, or a running program. And these have varying skill levels. These have various skill levels for all of you. Okay, we got one answer in there. So a process is, and this one's going to be pretty interesting, but I can tell you what the official documentation says, and it is not A, Thanos. It's not what the system is. Yes, that's it. D. D is the correct answer. So I need to set up some effects, but ding, 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 ding. Okay. I like this. I like this a lot. We're just kind of getting our feet wet here with maybe a few of these. Okay, so let me do this real quick. Let me go I here, and we're going to go Thanos. God has got 1 point. Okay. All right. So let's try a second one here. We're going to scroll down, and here is the second one. Which shell operator can be used to place a command to execute in the background? Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. We get more people chiming in. We're going to have a crazy fun time. I've actually got a lot more questions, but I didn't put them on there because I didn't know how much time we'd have, or if we could get some folks in here chatting today. Okay, so the answer to this one is definitely going to be a B for this answer. And so I believe here we're going to Thanos, God, would have been the person that would have won that instance or would have won that one. So 2. Okay, uh-oh, come on, fade out. Come on, Smash. We got to have some more folks. And also, thanks for chiming in there, Jag, J-A-G. Greatly do appreciate you for chatting in there. Maybe I should just go ahead and give you another point. Okay, Telfer Tom. Huh, do I know somebody with the last name of Telfer? I believe I do. Let me know if you know me. Let me know if you know me. Otherwise, I am, it would be good to know. Well, hello, you do. Okay. All right, well, thank you for joining on into the stream here. And we're going to keep rocking and rolling. This is, so we've done 2 questions so far, and here comes the rest of my people. I see some more folks that are just joining in. And just as a super quick refresher here, is that quick rules. First one in chat gets the point. There's 10 multiple choice questions, which we may expand that out. And then there's also 10 Linux commands. Prize is just going to be a month to try hack me. All you got to do is just message me in Discord, which will obviously provide links to that, but there's one of them. And right now, Thanos God is winning. Question number 3. Let's just jump here and get it out of the way. Which character can be used to separate two commands on the same line? Go, go, go. Oh, oh, uh-oh. The game has changed. We now have a new person, and I'll tell you, I am not that good at these names. So Loka, I'm just going to give your name a short here. You'll have 1 point out of this. Okay. All right, so let's go into number 4. Which option can be used with RM command to prompt for file removal? I should have actually downloaded some of that music. As you all know, I'm about to go on vacation, and so when I go on vacation, I've got a bunch of other thoughts of how this could be even cooler in here. Okay. So what are we on? We're on number 4, and we had B, and let's see. Uh-oh. I wasn't paying a whole lot of attention. Is it... Uh-oh, I may have to look at the replay. I'm wanting to say Il Ninto was the one that got it, though, because Loka got the last one. Uh-oh. Il Monte says a D. All right, so we're on the honor system here. Who do we feel that got that correctly? So this is which option can be used with an RM command to prompt for a file removal. Another thing that could possibly be helpful is maybe to like run some of these commands too. I believe we are going to give that one to Il Minto. And feel free to correct me if that's not right. I'd really love to... I want to make sure the right person gets it. But some things I haven't thought all the way through yet. ILLEMENTO. Yeah, we're just on an honor system here. Okay, excellent. Okay, let's keep going. So we're going to go to number 5. Which command can be used to query for terminal types being in use? I'm sorry, the answer to that, this previous one, yeah, I'm sorry about this. I should actually show some of these. Maybe I will. So which option, the answer there was B, because it's a -I for interactive mode. And so if we take a look at that one, I'll just do a touch on a.text. And if I want to remove this file, I would just do an rm-i there, and it says remove regular empty file a.text. And so I hit yes there, and now that file has been removed. So yeah, hopefully that helps out a bit there. Let's see here. Okay, and so let's see, that's good. -I prompts before every removal. Yes, that's good. Thanos put a D in there. It looks like Thanos is going to get this one. Thanos, and D is the correct answer for this one. So yeah, so on this one right here, If you just do TTY, again, maybe I'll just keep one of these docked or something with TTY right here. You're able to you can query the terminal top that's currently being in use. Okay. Okay, so that one, let's see here. Yeah, so we'll go back to Thanos. All right, Thanos 3. Come on, you're knocking this thing out. And now I was right. Use timestamps if possible. Yeah, I think Thanos got that one. Yeah. Well, I'm watching. I'm gonna watch it now. So, we'll also do something like this really quick. I haven't thought through all of this, as you can kind of tell. Okay, so for question 6, boom. How do you list only hidden files? Only hidden files. Keep that one little thing in mind. Only hidden files. Thanos. Oh. Thanos. Now, keep in mind the question. Good job. Fade out, Sama. I'm not always going to keep these too easy. So this is saying, how do you list only hidden files? Let's do this again. And I'm going to pull this command up right here. Hopefully you guys can still all see it. So I am in my current home directory. I can do this ls-a. Okay, so this right here, obviously we're showing obviously all of our hidden files here. But if we scroll up, we're going to see there's a rules.txt, right? So if I just do a regular ls, you can also see that rules.txt file, which is actually this document right here. Okay, so it wouldn't be that one. We also know it wouldn't be this one right here. Okay, so let's take this one right here. And the keyword is the A. So you go copy here, or we're going to go copy here. We're going to do a, let's see. What did I do wrong here? Let's see. ls-la. Hey, R6S. I'm verifying my answer here. Yeah, I don't think, yeah, this one won't give it to us either. I thought it was A. So if the challenges get harder, that means I forget. I kind of had a feeling, though, that ls-la, that this one might have been it. Am I wrong? Retype-la. So this one. And then we're going to do grep on, maybe it's something with the copy and paste. I'm pretty sure this is the right one. And then a dot. And then this. There we go. Okay, so something's weird with the copy and paste from this. But as you can see here, is that these are only our hidden files. So that file that we were just looking at just a second ago, the rules.txt wouldn't be located. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Uh-oh, I'm wrong here, everyone. It's not like I've ever been wrong before. Retype. It includes directories. Hey, what's up, obesity cart? How are you doing? When you copy past, it puts a double dash dash for some reason. All right, so let's see. You have dash dash dash. The outside should leave double dash. All right, let's look at it. By the way, how do you like my new machine, Smash? So we can escape out of the dot with that, can we not? Oh, no, like this right here. ls-la. Sorry, everyone. We got a small little hiccup here at the moment. And let's see what this is. It has to be grep. Our success is saying not LA. So okay. Let's see here. Just looking in here, you have dash dash dash. The Eric character should be outside, I believe. The double dash. Looks pretty cool. Arch is definitely on the main machine right now. So can you help me finish this this one thing, and then we're just going to ignore this question since it probably isn't that good. Yeah. Okay. So we may just come back to that one just a second. It was this. Here was the question that we had here. We had, how do you list only hidden files? And so it looks like we needed to do an ls-a, and then we needed to grep on a -e, and then inside of this, we needed to use a proper regular expression right there. Okay. And here is the command now. And let's go back here. Let's clear out of all this stuff. And let's drop this one in there. Cannot access A. Hey, enormous chunks. How are you doing? How many people does it take to write one query? You said LSA and then a grep. Okay, Smash. I'm not seeing it over here. You haven't caught me online in a while? I have been around. I'm usually around on Saturday and Sundays, and also at this time on Wednesdays. I'm questioning if you need the up arrow. Yeah, so this is a regular expression, and we're looking for the period here. So looking at Smash's last answer, this is exactly what this is. So maybe there's something else going on with it. So we're going to do this one thing, and I'm just going to move on if we can't get it. Let's come back in here, /dot. Okay, looks like there may have been something just wrong with how the editor is reading that. That's real odd. Okay, nevertheless, we shall prevail. Okay, so let's go to question number 7. For that question, since it was a mistake on my end, nobody will get the point. So let's go to number 7. Command said is used for to perform arithmetic calculations. I was actually trying to look over here. Used as a text filter to mount a device, is a text editor. Ooh, we got all kinds of answers in here. Okay, sorry for doubting Smash. Okay, well, actually, on this one, the answer is going to be a D, and we'll go look it up too. So Thanos, looks like you're going to be getting another one in here. So let's see here. Let's go to Thanos. We're going to go 4 there. As you can see, my very sophisticated trip. Spooky Knock Knock. How was my Washington trip? I have not taken it yet. I'm actually going tomorrow. Yeah, very, very interesting. Okay. No, I'm not from Vancouver. I'm from Redmond, Washington. Okay, so said definition. And the answer with this one was obviously it is a text editor. And I think this goes from the very, very, very beginning days. So SCD, Linux. Let's see if we can do it this way. Let's see. SCD. All right, so said stream editor is a Unix utility that parses and transforms text using a simple, compact programming knowledge. Yeah, of course, anybody can play. Anybody here that's joining into the stream, yeah, this stream is for everyone. Um, I'd love to have anybody here playing along with me. Yeah, I may go over a few of the little quick rules. But other than that, yeah, anybody can play. I'd love to have you. Here's all the rules. There isn't really much. First one to answer in the chat gets the points. Right now we have 10 multiple choice, 10 Linux. I may add some more onto this. Prize is going to be a 1-month sub to try hack me. Just message me over there in my Discord channel. That way I can. The Discord's the main, my main place that I use for a lot of that type of stuff. And right now, Thanos is looking really good. I want to work at Amazon at Bellevue. You do, Spooky? So, Spooky, are you currently in the in the Washington area? Hey, what's going on, Shada? How are you doing, my friend? Yeah, hopefully you're doing very, very, very well there. Okay. Oh, you are? Cool. Are you on Twitter, Spooky? Knock knock. Yeah. Be fun to connect with some other local Washington people. Okay. So that's so fun. That's okay. Yeah, that's totally fine. Okay, so right now, here's the points that we've got in there. Shada, we just went through this question, and yeah, we had a lot of B's. A lot of B's on this one. I just recently started Twitch. Yeah, Twitch is where everything's at. Are you going to move away now that Microsoft is trying to buy it? Trying to buy what? Oh, Discord? Yeah, Microsoft is trying to buy Discord. I don't know. It looks like they will probably be able to get it. It looks like it's pretty far in. You know, Shada, we looked it up. I had to double verify my answer was proper. But yeah, if you look it up, this is the answer. The ML salaries in Twitch is very high. Okay, so let's keep going. So number 8 here is going to be which command is used to get intermediate results in a pipeline of command? T, get, filter. Let's go. Let's go, fam. Everybody is letting Thanos just come in and knock us out here. Uh, you're also awesome. Very, 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 very good. Um, yeah, so that's the answer. It's T. I was showing some of these as we go, but I don't know if that's that helpful or not. So, yeah, we're going to just keep rocking and rolling. I've worked at big corporations, on and off. I mean, I've worked at a Fortune 500 company and, now the last 5 or so years here at Microsoft. So, yeah, a pretty good bit of the time. I've also worked for startups too. So, question number 9. In general, the working directory of the user root is /root/admin/home/root. What do we get here? Gazon says, hello here from Hacklist X. Hacklist, drop in a link to that. Let me take a look at that. Because I don't know, maybe or I may or may not have seen it. Okay, so let's go right here. Oh. I think Rainbow Our Success got this one. So /root, it says this path is editable, even after the installation of the system. What? Thanks there for the raid there. Greatly do appreciate you. Okay. I think Our Success is going to be the winner of this one, unless I am wrong. Yes, it is, Henry. It is Wednesday already. How are you doing? Welcome on in, all of you great folks coming all in there from RWX Rob. Greatly do appreciate you coming into the stream here today. We're doing some Linux Q&As. Linux questions, and we're tracking to see who got those answers right. And yeah, I'm just going to give away like a sub, to someone that maybe wants to play around here with us. Yeah, on this stream we do all kinds of different sorts of things. Recently we went through a longer series of Arch Linux, building Arch completely from scratch in a VM, and then taking it back over to an actual hardware as a second run through. And configuring all of this stuff. So Polybar up at the top, Termite, using a completely open source version of Visual Studio Code that I don't even think it says the word Visual Studio anymore. Making some of our own builds using Peru, P-A-R-U. Yeah, awesome. Okay. All right. Yeah, welcome on in here, folks. Let's see. I like hardcore engineering. It's doable if it's not spooky enough. Okay. And thanks also for following in there. I'm a beginner. Yeah, of course. Come on in. Good game. Congrats for the winners. Let me know. RWX Rob, what you guys roll up to? Okay, against the autistic. Seattle's growth. Okay, so let's go down, and this was question number 9, and I believe we were going to say Our Success was the person that got that one. Let's go to number 10. Okay, number 10. Out of the following, I can't even talk today. Out of the following, which can place in the home directory? CD with the tilde thing, or both A and B? And you all know this was a question I asked you before on one of our command line Kung Fu streams. And if others want to check out some of our past catalog, that's some of the things that we've been doing. This is some of the things we've been doing in the past here. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I keep getting a couple of beeps over here from our friend. Let's see here. Untagged Dad. Yes, I am seeing all of your DMs over here, and it says you don't have permission to send messages. Hmm. Been yelling answers at my scenes. Sorry about that. Um, is there something like with like the I don't know, global? Is there some weirdness that's going on there? I'm going on top. You all going down. Yeah, let me know, Untech Dad. I definitely hear you, and I want you to be able to do this. Okay, so scrolling back up here. Thank you there, our success. Let's go to. I don't know about that, Loka. You did all of them. I think that's a disqualification on that answer. Uh, Thanos. Ooh, Thanos said B. Shada, though, came in and dropped a C, and C is the correct answer there. Shada also gets one right there. So you can all go and try these. I talked about this on a stream before. There's actually a couple of other ways that you could have did this too. I think we also talked about just using, I think it was just CD and this slash. I think that was it. That would also get you back to the home directory. Okay. Hey, how are you doing there, Noro? Hopefully you are all doing very, very, very well. Nice. CD works. Didn't know. That's a good question. Yeah. So obviously with that, uh, here we are. We're in our home directory here, home/mb crump, and then while we're over here, the multiple ways to kind of get back to this directory. So I'm just going to go and scroll over here into like my temp. CD gets us back there. A CD with the tilde gets us back there. And then going back into temp, you can also do just the slash. Oh no, that doesn't work like that. I thought that was one you could do. Oh, no. There was another answer that we had for this. Oh well. Uh, I should take you. Syscall says I should take you to the root of the file system. That's true there. Yeah, I was incorrect. Oh yeah, it was this one. We were talking about this. $home. So you can also get to the home directory that way. So yeah, that was where I made a mistake here. So $home was just yet another option that we could have used there. Does the guy that created Linux live in Portland? I'm not really sure where he lives at. Okay, so I like those a lot. Let's see here. I'm almost wanting to say the quizzes were pretty fun. That maybe even those should be like the thing that we keep rocking and rolling with. Okay. All right. Let's give a few more people some chances to do some of these. Let me grab. All right. I've got a new question bank here, so let's do a few more of these. We'll go a little bit more rapid fire because I know some people would rather me kind of just get to the point, but I like chatting so much. So here we go. Identifies the environment variable which designates a secondary prompt. Okay, so Giz says B. Okay. R6S is dropping in a D. Guess what? R6S. Anybody else? Come on. Come on, folks. You were all enjoying this just a little bit ago. The correct answer on this one. Oh, no idea. Okay, so you have a PS, and then you also have a PS2 that is here. So the answer there goes to R6S. So R6S with two. All right, so I'm seeing something wrong here. I don't see Noro on the leaderboard, and I also don't see Smash on the leaderboard. Um, all right, we got to get ready to put in some of these new names here, and you can just try these out on your command prompt. That way, you can all play around with these later. And if you want the list of all these questions, then I can just paste it out and put them there somewhere. All right, let's go on and let's take this one. Let me take this question, and we're going to go again. All right, so what does the following command do? Change mod 888 file. So does it enable RxW permissions of all users? Enables them, or none of the above? Love it, love it, love it. I think 777 is the highest. Okay. Okay. So the answer there is going to go to Shada, which selected D there. So you're correct. It doesn't go that high. Yeah. You can't do change mod 888. And if you try it, what do you think is going to happen if you try it? Let's go to there. Let's go mod 888. And I have a file here called rules that I typed in before, and invalid mode. Woohoo. So hopefully, as you all are going through this, you're learning a ton of stuff too, because these are good questions, but they're also good just for your general knowledge of Linux. Okay, cool. So let's see, what else do we have here? So Goontown says opens all ports on the host. Gizon69, how many questions are there? We were going to do like 20. But if folks like this, I mean, I'd like to give a few, I'd like to give everyone a bit of an opportunity. I can only give one sub away, 1 month sub to Try Hack Me, but hopefully at least you'll walk away with like learning some new stuff. You're addicted to my stream. Well, if you want to look at the catalog of stuff we do all kinds of kind of at least fun things in my opinion. All right, let's take the next question here. And let's go. Here we go. So we need to copy all the doc extension files with file names having only 3 characters into the directory called config, which is a parent directory. Okay, I see people thinking about this one. Spooky knock knock. So do I do hacking? I do ethical hacking. I do work at Microsoft on the security compliance and identity team. Lots of focus around different types of content that folks may find beneficial or helpful, for wherever you're at in your security journal. A big focus on Azure and Azure security, which is when we do our own VMs and stuff, we use Azure because that's where I can get a little bit of free credit. So yeah. Okay. Well, believe it or not, the answer is A on this. Hey, what's going on, P0? How are you doing? Boom. Always good to have you back over here in the chat. P0, if the rest of you don't know, P0 is the only person that rapped with me on stream. Yes, I rap on stream. I don't know. You got to get me warmed up until I can get to it before I start rapping. Thank you, Patrick, also for coming on in there as well. Greatly appreciate you. Okay, so the answer here is A. And sys calls. Let's go right here. Sys C 4LLS is who I believe won that one. I like the concept of sandboxing with security a lot. So here is what I am seeing is that on that one, here we go. On that one, if you look at this one, the answer was A. Let's see, did I not get that right? Yeah, it was A. Yeah, so here is the result there. Stream keeps getting stuck. I prefer security through obscurity. Yes, I like that, enormous chunks. Okay. So anyway, here was the answer. So to match for any three characters, dot represents the parent directory. Yeah. So you can try this out if you'd like to. And to make it easier, if anybody else wants to play with this one, there that is. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm going to give let's see. I'm going to give a bit of a lowball question here. Let's keep them coming. Okay, so which mail command can be used to save the mail onto a file? Let's go. Let's go. It's your birthday. Let's go. So we do have a winner for this one. To save, which mail command can be used to save the mail onto a file? It's actually the -S. So A is the answer there. And Gizon, Gizon 69, would be walking away with that winner there. Gizon 69, and that is equal to 1. That is the answer on that one. Okay, I'm back. Yes, sir. Spooky Knock Knock says, yay! I'm happy to see my name. Hey, you know what? You're more than welcome. Let's see. I may, since we're now getting a few more folks in here, I may have to, I may modify this a little bit. And I don't know, we'll go 20 or so. And here is the current leaderboard. Yeah, I know. I just narrowed down. Yeah, just happy to see my name. Goontown says W for right makes so much more sense. Yes. Year 0, I won't mention where this question bank is right now, but if you hit me up on Discord after the stream, then I'll tell you. I just don't want everybody cheating. I definitely do not want you all cheating. And I know you're all awesome, and you wouldn't do that. Let's see. Should I bring back one that we already actually have asked and see if anybody actually remembers it? Let's see. Yeah, I think I am going to bring it back. Here we go. Here's the next one. This is one I noticed that a bunch of people missed, so let's try it again. Which command can be used to query for the terminal top being in use? Oh, come on. Gizon. It was definitely D. It was TTY. Yeah. It was definitely D. Yeah, it was D. Was that R6 that got this one first? Yeah, I think it was. R6 got this one first. Look at this. R6, who still, I mean, and you could correct me if I'm wrong, but still I'm fairly newish, right? You can let me know if I'm wrong there. but is dominating and is in second place on the whole total board. Let me see if I missed any questions there. Let's see. Let me take a quick peek at a few things. Year zero, let me rephrase. What is the subject of these questions? These are Linux based questions that an administrator would need to know, and really even just somebody that's going to use Linux on a day to day basis. It helps them like boost productivity. They know some of these things because they know where to kind of go. So yeah, that's definitely where what this is. That's the subject. Do I think a Microsoft degree helps to get into big, or do you think a master's degree helps to get into big corps? No, no. I don't have a master's degree myself. Um, I totally don't. I think it's according obviously to what area you know you want to get into. If you're wanting to be like a strategic like developer, I mean a strategic like business planner and stuff, well you need a master's. If you want to get into the tech area or engineering fields, I know a ton of people that do not have even 4 year or 2 year degrees. I do have a 4 year degree in computer science and electrical engineering though. I lose my common sense. You're right. I'm really a Windows guy. Let's see. Just want to let you know, I don't know about anything you're talking about, but I followed you for months, and at some point want to learn and understand. Well, thank you there, Pap USA underscore Dro. Welcome in. This is a community for every single person, family friendly. You don't hear any craziness on this stream. Just want to help out. I'd love to chat with each and every one of you too. You all make it so much better. Okay, let's see. Can I get confirmation about the sysadmin? Yeah, that's true. And certifications. Usually they want experience. Yeah. By the way, welcome in, Keaton. Greatly do appreciate you for swinging by. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do another one here. And then I need to kind of see where we're even at. Everybody thinks like I actually have a plan when I come into making a challenge like this, but I don't. I'm just making it up as I go. Okay, so here is question number 6. Whoop, whoop. Welcome on in, friend. Comprom ITTIERT. Welcome into the stream. We're doing some Linux questions. Every once in a while, I'll actually scroll back up where you can actually read the rules here. But there we go. There's the rules. Okay, so this one was a fairly easy one. It's what command can be used to show an operating system name. And, well, yeah. I'm going to keep the beginner questions in here too, because I know we definitely have some folks that are new to all of this as well. So L name, doesn't exist. OS name doesn't exist. Config doesn't exist. And we have some ZSH plugins, and how I customize this prompt is obviously back over there in the YouTubes if you want to take a look at it. So cool. Hopefully that helped. Let's keep going here. And actually, let me give the winner to that one. Let's see. Let's see here. So I believe that one goes to Goontown 69. Does it not? Goontown 69. Like I said, we're on the honor system. Smash, who is also an additional moderator of ours, he's not feeling too well right now. I'm sorry. He actually had some internet problems, so I'm kind of managing it. Use screen fetch. Okay. People answer before I see the question. Yeah, that actually is a very good one there, for Etsy and then the OS release. Oh, Shada had that one? Yeah. All right. Well, thank you. Well, all of you help keep me honest. help keep me honest on this thing. All of you are all coming in now and and chatting with me, so it's hard for me to keep an eye on that thing. Okay, you want to redeem your fireworks? Hey, you know what? You can redeem them anytime. I'll just put like right here, honorable mention, if that's even how you spell it. uh, I think that was it. Okay, and I already gave you your point there. Okay, here. So let's go into the next question here, and then I'll answer your question there, Spooky. Let me go to this one. We'll just keep going until we just determine not to. Okay, how can you execute the date command staying within the VI editor? What? The VI editor. P0. P0, you always get an honorable mention. You really do. And let's go P0, because that's how I call you. P0. Okay, let's see here. That one would be on a B, and that one also goes to Shada. Thanos God, I don't know if you're still in here with us today, but Thanos, I wanted to let you know that you've got somebody coming up on you right here. Shada is coming in strong. Let's see, Shada. Let me take that 1XD. I'm way too slow for a quiz. It's okay. Think about it. This is honestly, if you get nothing out of this, at least you get the knowledge. You get the knowledge of all of this, which, in my opinion, makes everything so much better. So, oops. So this one right here. So I want to put, oh, that's another thing I got going on. Let's go here. And let's do another quick, and let's go b.text. And I'm doing an I for insert there. And so the answer to that one was B. So if I go a pound, oops, if I go the semicolon down at the bottom, and then I do an asterisk there, and then I type in the word date, then there we go. There's the current date right here, Wednesday, March 8:06. Actually, that's not my time, but press enter or type the command to continue. Okay. Well, anyway, I think that's how you get the date in there. All of you are also fast. Let me take that one. Too slow. I'm here now. My messages are not showing. Your messages aren't showing? Shada must have some sort of Linux command. Still, the learnings are nice. Yeah, exactly. Anyone seeing this, please reply. We see it, Thanos. We see it. We definitely see it. Yeah. Okay, so can I do one more thing here? I don't feel like I did that right. Let me go. Let's type date again. And there we go. So I want to quit out of that. And let's see. Going back into the b.text. Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? I am doing a date here. I'm sorry, I'm doing this and a date. It says press enter or type a command to continue. Well, can I just, I was just trying just to save it. Doesn't look like it's saving. Oh, just VI. Oh, yeah, I don't think I have. Well, yeah. I think that's still a good enough answer. Under Deb 10, I don't stay within Vim. Okay, let's keep going here. So actually, did I give the right person that won that one? Did I give credit to that? Noob 404. Yeah, it says, how can you execute the date command? Oh, no, I was right the whole time. Sorry. I was thinking that this was writing the date into that file, but instead we're wanting to run another command. So going back over here, um, we were inside of a file called B here. And so I want to run a command. All I got to do is put the bang on it. So I could put W here. And if I do the bang on the W, well, then it shows right here. Here's the current process ID. And so if I hit enter there, and I want to go ahead and run another command within this shell, I could just type it in here. So date was the one that they just had in there. We talked about uname. I can run uname there, and we can see right there is the answer. So there you go. That's how you can run. That's how you can run some other commands while you're inside of Vim. Does that help? Yeah, it's just executing it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's keep going here. Let me know if I put in the correct person that won that one. I'm working on something that will be pretty cool. Okay, so let's take one more of these. Well, we may take a few more, according to how everyone here is feeling. Okay, on a typical Unix installation, kernel resides in the following directory. The kernel. Thanos, you were so close. Thanos, you were so close. We just got a tie right there. We just got a tie on that one. So here's the question again. On a typical installation, where does it reside at? Let's see. What did I do there? Let's go back over here. We're going to go boot. And right inside of this is where the kernel lies. So we had to do this. I didn't even notice you pasted the question. And so, you can see, where our kernel is. We're using 5.10.21.1 LTS. And so that would map up to and tell me if I'm wrong there, but I believe that would map up to this one. And then over to this init image directory. Hey, welcome on in there. The Ego, how are you doing? Welcome into the stream. Hopefully you learn a few things from this. NeoFetch. Yeah, NeoFetch. Yeah. I don't know. Was that somebody asking about that? Yeah, I just ran you can just use Pacman or whatever your package manager is, and you can pull it down. That will give you all this information. I guess I should say, Shada, thank you for all of your help with our existing series of all of the art stuff. I've now rebuilt that exact same image that we did on stream for a virtual machine, and I've put that on one of the laptops that I won about 5 or 6 years ago. I was at like a hackathon. It may have been more than that. It was an older stock that they had, but obviously I gladly took it. And so, yeah. And I've been using XRNR also because that was one of the tools that you had showed me. So using that now to display a couple of different monitors up here. And that is that same computer that had that really nasty screen. Excellent. Okay. So that put it at 5-5. Okay. So I think we're just about I don't know. We'll keep going for right now. So let me. I was looking to see if I could find another kind of question that I thought would could be pretty good for us to use. All right, let me see here. You could always use. All right. Let's see here. That one's good. All right. Hang tight, folks. I could do this one just right here. All right, let's go a little bit off the beaten path. So this is also one that I showed on stream, and it is what keyboard combination do I need in order to capitalize 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 the next word on the prompt. So for example, I've got me a shell. It says hello. It says world. I'm right here on the screen. What keyboard combo would I hit in order to capitalize the rest of this text? Off the beaten path. I'm too lazy. I just used Manjaro. Yeah, I think that was it, the ego. DMLINUZ. You could always go Arco. Okay, I'll donate one of the memberships if it's a tie. Okay, so I'm seeing G, U, shift, fade out. I believe you're going to be the winner here. Yeah, so we talked about this one. Obviously, it doesn't have the let's see, this one. Wait. Hello world. Alt U. Uh-oh. Gotta bounce. Yeah, thanks for coming on in there. A spooky knock knock. Greatly do appreciate you. So yeah, that command. What was that? That was that command is going to be. I cannot believe that I have already forgotten this. So was it Alt U? I don't see it right off the bat. Let's go here. Let's go hello. Come on. I have no keyboard focus anymore. Interesting. Oh, there it goes. So hello and then a world. No, it was not Alt U. I tried the Alt plus U and that did not get it there for me. Maybe it's something with the terminal though. That terminal instance. Alt U works? Okay. Yeah. So let's do this. We'll see if it has something else to do. We're going to go hello world. I'm going to go Alt U. Okay. So it's something else that I've kind of got over here on my end. No, I'm not using your Vim key here at the moment. Control U deletes the line. Alt U uppercases it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's see here. So where we're currently at now, and I've just about got to end up here for the day, is that we've got two folks that are in the lead here. So we've got Thanos, God, and we've got Shada. Thanos, are you still around right now? I'm going to offer both of you a couple of options, and you can tell me which one you want to take. Hey, there he is, Thanos. Okay, so couple of options here. You've got the audience watching you. It's down to you two. Would you like to do a best of three situation? Would you like to do? So we've got a couple of different things here. So we're going to go best of three. We can also do a winner takes all, with just one question, and then, whoopsie. And then otherwise, we can just say a tie. Really, with a tie, it's just considered just a tie. I don't know what we do with the prize though. Yeah, that's the only thing about that. Either the tie would be a random person in chat gets it, something like that. All right, so here's your three choices. You all get to determine how we end the stream. Okay, so let's see here. Control U. Yep. So enormous chunks, what we did find was that according to the different types of terminal editors, some of that will work and then some of the other ones will work. Okay, so P0 says, I'll buy the sub and a tie. All right, P0 wants to call it a tie. What would you like, Thanos? Don't use the SH. You know, I saw a video. Hey, thank you there, Wolfgang Blitz, for dropping in some of the awesome bits into the stream here. Greatly do appreciate that. It's so awesome to have your support. Thank you all, really, for all of your support. Okay, so it looks like we're going with the tie. Okay, we're going with the tie here. It is a tie. So sweet. Well, anyway, I greatly do appreciate each and every one of you for coming and hanging out. Definitely check out the stream. Obviously, follow here on Twitch would be a great place. And then after that, if you're interested, we have a Discord channel where we all go and hang out after the stream. If you want to see the condensed versions of some of our past streams, those are always over there on YouTube. And then we've got some other great people that's in here that's already streamers. And a quick shout out to our friend Smash 8 Tap. There we go. I think that's working. But yeah, thank you all for coming in and hanging out with us here. I hope this was fun. If you all like this, let me know. I definitely want to do more of this, and then I'm going to get better with like how some of these questions come up. I've got lots of very, very, very cool stuff to see there. So yeah, I'm about to wrap it up for the day today and head on off and get back to work. I like to spend my lunch hour with each and every one of you. So yeah, work is calling. Got to go to the thing that pays the bills and stuff. The giveaway ended with a tie. So the two top winners, Thanos God and Shada, decided they wanted to be a tie. So yeah, so there you go. That was it. Let's see. Do we have any of our normal folks that is currently streaming here at the moment? Let me take a quick peek over here, and let's see. You know what? Our friend over there, CM Griffith. Let's give him some love. He's the one that does all of the animations that you see over there. He created that chat box and everything like that, and gave me a nice subscription to it. Where I could add in some of my own stuff. Q&A with the security team at Azure? That sounds good. Maybe. Take care, friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.